Doubt used to cause me to hold myself back in life and in business. Fears of others' judgments, the judgments of my family, my friends, people I wanted to impress, used to hold me back from living the life that I truly deserve. Now, once I learned to control those doubts, once I learned to control those fears of judgments from others, I was able to live a life that I truly enjoy. And being able to control your fears and your doubts of judgments of others and society will set you free. In just a second, I'll tell you my story of how I've been able to overcome doubts and the striving to be of perfection in my own self to create a business that makes me millions of dollars per year and living a life that I truly love.